and I will share this knowledge with my clients.
Yes, thank you. Yes, as you know, and lady, I remember you have stayed in writing around 1.5 years.
Half 1 year.
Half 1 year, 1.5 years. Yeah, yes, I guess it is. So, lady is more and more professional in the adhesive uh, business. Lady is a student before our company. It's very young and a newcomer, but when after he studied hard.
She.
She.
Okay.
I'm sorry. Yes, she studied hard and more and more professional, and it's very nice to customers. Yes. So any questions you can ask us, and we will introduce and to answer your question here. Nahi, welcome Nahi. Yeah, yes, welcome our last trip. Uh, okay, now let's begin our main topic. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Nahid, now we are going with the label sticker material
yes,
streaming. We will introduce our digital printing like inkjet and laser and some traditional printing material like
yes,
flexo and UV and also the outside. If you have some sticker labels you have interest, just send inquiries to us or send messages in the below. So we will answer your questions face to face and give you the professional details. No matter how we want to support the strong and business relationship with you, if you need the label sticker material. So if you have interest, you can follow us and also the inquiries to us.
yes.
Okay, let's go on with our today's topic.
First topic is for inkjet. As you know, inkjet is very popular stickers for different printers like Epson, VIP, and Canon, HP, etc. Yes. For now, we are talking about our stickers. So, lady, how many types we have of the inkjet?
If you remember, it's nine kinds. Yeah, many different materials and different colors we have.
Yes.
It's really a big quantity. But a normal label sticker factory they will have the just a common color like the glossy white and the matte white. But our writing have to do the deep research on the inkjet coating, and also we do the gold color, silver color, and also the new arrival color is our holographic. It's very popular.
Yes. In fact, we have two big types.
Yeah.
Yes. One is paper, and another is vinyl. As you know, the paper is normal paper, and so it cannot be waterproof, and you can also tear it easily broken. So if your labels don't need waterproof and the labels can be tearable. So the paper is maybe it's your best choice. It's very economic. Yes, right?
Yeah.
And if you have high demand or high requirement on the labels, for example, your labels will be soaked in water or put in the refrigerators.
Yeah.
So I will recommend the vinyl for you. Yes, the sticker is waterproof. This is one of the advantages. And for another advantages is we use the special coating, right? Special coating. It is safe for children or old mind. Yes, it's very friendly environment and non-toxic. So you can use the sticker to make the label for children. So this is our inkjet stickers. And just like Lady said, we have different colors. And for vinyl, we have two. And PP and PT, the PP and PT, just the material is different. Z, welcome, Zishan.
Hello, welcome. We
Yeah.
are introduce our inkjet printing material from the paper to vinyl material with different colors.
Yes.
So if you have interest or questions, so you can send us your question or some inquiries to us. Our colleagues will reply you as immediately as they are at work now.
Yes. And okay, let's continue.
Yeah.
For the vinyl, we have two kinds. One is PP and the other is PET.
Yeah.
Many customers they have no idea how to choose PP and PET
Yeah.
for their application. So can you share some experience to them? I guess they would like to know.
Yeah, so mainly for PP and PT, when we choose the two different material, as a PP is more softer and has the especially the glossy PP. It has the purely the color in the light, and this color is mostly accepted by many different clients. And well for the PT is more rigid. So we do PT is more it's mostly the thinner, so it will avoid curling when you stick on the bottles. So PP is softer and PT is rigid than PP, and also the glossy PT is the super white. Uh, it is more cold, like the wall. And also the glossy PP is more warm, as is actually it's little yellow, so it looks more warm and with the pearly color.
Relax. The PP, glossy white PP, and compared to the glossy white PT, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So for those two cans, let's just want to share you. The color is a little bit different. For the PP is a little yellowish. Yes, it's not super white, but for PET it's super white. So if your labels need to be super white, so maybe you can choose a super white PET. As you know, for the PET we have only one white, and for PP we also have only one glossy white. So if your requirement is the super white, so we will give you the advice on the PT. But if your requirement is not this, maybe you can choose the PP and you can choose the PT. So we will recommend to PP. That's why. Maybe the color is almost, but the price is different. For the PP, maybe it's higher than PP. PET is higher than PP.
Yeah.
So maybe the PP is very cost effective. Yes. And Another one is the lattice side. The PP is more softer, and if your labels is very small, and put on the round surface like the bottle is very small. So the PP material is best for this smaller area. Yes, for PET, yes, lattice is very rigid, so you can put the labels on the flat surface or big surface, and yes, the labels attached on the products will be strong. But if you use but if your label is that's why we recommend you the red stickers for different application. If you use PET for smaller labels, maybe that will be curling. It will be curling, it's faded. So before we send you the quotation, and we will confirm many details with your application. Yes, please. If you have the requirement on inkjet stickers, so please let us know your application, where you will stick on, and what products we will stick on. So we will know which one products will be worked for you. So yes, that's why we will ask many questions before sending you the quotation. Yeah.
Yeah, so well, in most situations, we will recommend our inkjet glossy PP, which could use on many different surfaces, like the small bottles or the round bottles. Well, for the PET, we will confirm the product surface our clients mistake, and also and the size of his bottles. So we only if we learn more about our client's needs, so we will know which material is the best, and will not have curling or printing problems with your application.
Yes.
And also for PT material, it's more it has the other points is PT material is height resistant than PP. So and the PT price will be higher than PP.
Yes. So let's compare the difference with vinyl and
paper.
Yes.
Yeah.
The sticker in my hand is vinyl.
Yeah, this one in my hand is paper, our inkjet paper. Yes.
As you can see, the sticker is vinyl, so it cannot easily tear broken. But for the paper in lattice hand, yes, easily broken. So that's different. So if you're, I will show you the difference, and then you will choose the right labels according to your requirements. Yeah. And this one is waterproof. We did the test before. Our stickers can yes, of course, it is related with your printers. If your print ink is waterproof, so and then use our stickers, the labels will be soaked in the water around 10 hours. There's any ink mist. It's very good. So please trust us, trust our quality. The sticker is to be waterproof. Yes, we did many times test. So we can make sure the stickers is exactly waterproof. Yes.
Yeah, with and the other advantage of the inkjet material, it match with any not only the inkjet printer but also the laser and the flexo. It's the high quality printing material. And also for normal printing material, the coating they do have the coating on the material, but when you write the words on their face material, the ink will not dry on the material. Well, for the inkjet, the ink is quick drying after 3 seconds. So we can do the test to help identify the material.
Yes. So for for the coating, yes, special coating. That means the ink when you just like let's say you can use sticker for inkjet, laser, or traditional printers. That's why the inkjet can be suitable for and different, but for laser why it cannot just because of special coating. When you write here and you can use the tissue to wipe, you can see the ink will be dry around 1 second, right?
Yeah.
It's very dry quickly dry. So that's why it can be put on a different printers. Of course, laser jet will be not use inkjet stickers. You know, it's very maybe a little higher than laser jet stickers. So inkjet sticker used for inkjet. Laser jet stickers used for laser printers. Yes. The material cost is different. So maybe customers will compare the material price. Yes. So Letty, this is our material. What about our size? What size we can offer?
Yeah, for our size, we could offer the sheet size and the roll size. As we could cut from the jumbo roll.
Yeah.
So we are be flexible.
What is that? What is laughing?
I think this point is no need to say, as most supplier is the jumbo roll size and need use the jumbo to cut into sheet size and roll size. And in colors hands is our A4 size. Yeah, this is our
Hi, Shama. Yes, you need the demo? Yes, sure. Yes, you can send the inquiry. Our colleague will send you the demo. Yes. Do you have any questions? And we can talk about it here online. We can solve your questions online. Yes. Just write your questions. Yes, for the size of the inkjet stickers normally is A4 sheets or A4
letter size.
Yes, letter size and small rolls and or just like let's say jam rolls. It's different your printer's brand and what size they can load we can do customize for you. So for sheets, normally package is 500 in pack and two packs in box or 4 packs in box. That's based on your quantity. And then for roll normally is for 21 centimeter by 150 meters. Oh, Neil. Hi Neil, you are looking for A3 plus size for inkjet or laser jet? Maybe normally it's for laser jets, yes, as our experience, yes. Yes, for laser jet we have PP and PET and some papers. Yes, glossy, matte, and transparent, and hologram, silver, gold. Yes, which one you need? Yes, you can send your questions. I can yes answer you online. Okay, so let's continue. About we are talking about our inkjets. Yes, for inkjet stickers, Yes, we talk about the package. Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh,
Box package.
yes. For the raw size, normally it's five or four rows in box.
For 5. The small rolls.
No, I mean by 150 meters. Maybe it's four. It's four rows in box. So you can also tell us and your requirement. We can customize anything for you. The size, the package, the brands, your logo, anyone. We can do it for you. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's just use Carol share the standard package of our inkjet material.
Yes.
And for the sheet size, except the box package and the pallet package, we do have the customized package. On this customized package, you can do your design or your logo or picture and words and inspirations on the packages. Yeah, this is means your brand. If you want to do your brand, you can use this package, and you can. Well, for this package, our clients normally will do reselling on Amazon, eBay, and also the local market for resale. So that's really a that's really a good idea for your own business. And for this package, we do have the 20 sheets in one box, and 25, and also 36, 36 or the 50.
Yes. Any shifts we can do according to your market situation. And yes, just the colorful box in my hand is our customized colorful box. Yes, that means you can resell it online or offline to sales to your customers directly. And for this one, yes, the this just a sample box, and we could also print with your design and your logo. As you can see here is our logo RIGHTINT, and you can change your design with your own logo and brand, and we can according to your yes, we can print the finish the box and with your design draft, and then back to your confirmation, then start to production. Yes, for the back as instructions, you can read, and you can write here some information to show your customers. When they see the instructions, they will know how to use the stickers. Yes. Yes. Here is the sample sheets, and you can see the thickness very hard. It's very strong. The thickness around is 230 grams. Yes, it's very thicker. And normally we will put the sheets in open bags and then put the small pack into the colorful box. Normally we have another one sheet colorful page in the box. Yes, so we have many different choice for you. If you resell the package on the Amazon, eBay or other platform, you can. I think it will be attract more customers and see your design is very beautiful and they like this one. Yes, if you use it yourself, you print and the labels will be sold out to your customers. But I mean, this colorful box maybe is not very good for you. We have more economic package for yes, for end user. If you are end user, so maybe I think the box the box is very cost effective for you. Normally, just we talk about the five 500 500 shares in one pack and two packs in box. It's very economic. So and cheaper. So if you are in the user, so we recommend the package for you. If you resell the package, no matter online or offline, I think this way is best choice for you. Yes.
Yeah. So and also for the package, this is the size. This package size is for 20 sheets. And what and for more quantity, the package size will be more bigger. As if we put this box with 50 sheets, the box will be torn. So it could not hold too much sheets. So we will enlarge the package and to hold more stickers, and also will not um, look more big. Yeah, we make the package not too small and also not too big to make more size.
Yes. So that's all our inkjet stickers. So if you are still interested in our inkjet stickers, just send your inquiry and we can talk about more information. And you can also check our website, writing, w w 3w dot writing yes the code com
Yeah.
writings.com. So any questions we can keep in touch. Yes. I see the board in Leggie's hand. I know what she wants to see.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, let me introduce our MOQ.
Yes, I know. So Leggy just want to show you the preference preferential. Yes. Normally, as you know, our MOQ is 500 square meter. That means 8,000 sheets, A4 sheets. But for now, for today, how many sheets we can sell?
But today in our live stream, we could do we cut the MOQ with 2,000 sheets A4 or 4 rows. We cut from 8,000 to 2,000 sheets. It means two box, 4 packs. If you are the end user. So that's really, and also if you want to start the label printing business, this the quantity will be friendly for you to at the beginning. So and also if you want to also try more different kinds, we could also arrange like a one 1,000 shades the glossy white and 1,000 the matte white, two different colors for you to start. So let's really be flexible. And also for the delivery time, we do have some stock for the inkjet sheet size. So if you are urgent for the label sticker, we could arrange delivery within 3 days. It means and the shipping time about 1 week. It means you could receive the order in 10 days, and you could start your printing business. That's really fast. Mm, and that's our MOQ and today's activity for inkjet printing material.
Yes.
It's really flexible and fast in delivery time.
Yes, but this hour, yes, maybe it's a discount and maybe special specific. How to say 政策, how to say?
Policy.
Policy, yes, special policy for March. March, you know, March is our is very important month, you know, in this year or in every year. Yes, March is for us is purchasing festival month, right? That means we have a big goals in this month. We have a lot of policy. There's a common policy in this month, and for the MOQ, yes, we special prepare a lot of stock of our inkjet stickers, special for smaller customers. Maybe you have no big demand on the stickers, and you can buy the 2,000 shares only. Yes, only this month. And the package is well packaged. Well packaged, that means the package have sealed, and you can place the order, and we can delivery within 3 days. It's very convenient and fast. And you can maybe by express, you will be get the order around 10 days. Yes, so it's very convenient. Yes, I think.
Yeah.
So this are yes, this is our inkjet stickers. Maybe so if you have the requirement or special coding, special requirement, you can tell us, and we will try best to meet your requirements. You know, we have department, we have production department and the technology department, QC department, and we can also to develop the new products better for you. As you know, normally our inkjet stickers is with adhesive, but we have customers they need a double set matte PET for inkjet. Yes, of course we can do that. Yes, we have orders and sales well and applications as well. So we have a mature technology for the inkjet, and we have special coding for this inkjet stickers. So it's very popular. The market is very popular. Maybe we can talk about more market in your requirement, and we can give you the solution how to sell it better, how to attract more customers. Yes, you can ask us any questions. We can give you a better solution. Yes. So this is for inkjet. Maybe in the first stage, inkjet stickers is our hot sell. Yeah, um, and for now, the main core, the main focus would transfer to customers, customer test, customize the cardboard box for you. Yeah, so customers they reward to us. They will sell good with this cardboard box, so they like more with their own brand. Yeah, so maybe you can tell us your requirements. So I just want to say, is there anyone want to ask questions?
Yeah, I have one question.
Okay. Let me have some questions.
Okay. Just now we share the MOQ of our standard sheet size. Yeah, that's the standard sheet size. Like if we do have some stock, how about our customized box MOQ?
Oh, good question.
Yeah. So if our clients really want to start their label printing business, so and also to resell, MOQ is very important for they to start. And you know the customized MOQ in market is very high. So how is
Yes.
ours?
Yes, sure. Yes, if you want to test our sample or try orders, and for MOQ, we can do for you more than 200 packs. Pack, 200 packs. You know, yes, I understand customers want to test your quality and then to try to test their market. If your quality is very good or not, they have to test. So I understand you will start a small quantity. So we also understand your thoughts, your ideas. So we will make the MOQ lower and to meet your requirements. So don't don't be scared the MOQ. Maybe some customers, oh, I see this customers, so maybe your MOQ is very high. So it's not that. We can set the solution for customers. Which way is more convenient for customers, so we will do that. So please don't worry. Cause we believe our quality. So with smaller MOQ for your test is very reasonable. Yes.
Yeah, actually, for this customized package, we have many experience, Amazon experience, and also the label printing experience from different application and different printing model and reselling speed in the market. So, if you want to start the business, you could talk about us your future direction. We could talk about the label material market, and will give you more professional advice. Especially the Amazon, we have the um, we have the special Amazon freight forwarder, which could ship to your Amazon warehouse directly. That's very convenient. And how is the label stick when shipped to Amazon? We have many experience. And today, if you want the customized box sample, you want to check the quality and the printing effect on the box, you could send an inquiry to us or also send us information. We could arrange the free samples of the customized box and also the inkjet samples. For samples, we have purchased in uh, our in our
What?
Oh, yeah, it's in our office. We do have some stock. So if you want the samples to try, we could arrange different materials, paper and vinyls, and also the different colors, like the gold, silver, and also the holographic colors for you to try. Try the printing effect, try the quality and the glue adhesion, and also the liner for you to try to test also. And also we have the Canon X and also the VIP printer in our office. We could do the printing test for you at the same time. So if you have that design you want to print, we could use the material you want to do printing with your design and send you the video or pictures for you to check the quality.
Yes, right.
So that's our samples and many different details for inkjet material. So if you with the very friendly MOQ and the different package, the customized package, and with the friendly MOQ tool. So if you want to try samples or start your printing business or start your do reselling your on Amazon, you could contact with us. We will give you the professional advice. And if you want to check the price, we could send you together, and also the freight. We could help you check immediately for you to see if this is worth.
Yes. So that's our sample.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. That's our inkjet material,
Yeah.
and we do have except the blank sheet size and the roll size. We have the pre-cut labels.
Pre-cut. Yeah.
Yeah, like this.
Yes.
That's the pre-cut roll labels.
Yes. For this one, like we said, we can customize no matter the size, no matter the package and the stickers. I know like accents printers, maybe you have to use pre-cut labels then print, and you have to do the pre-cut labels. I mean the finished not finished, the pre-cut labels. So we can do the rows like this, smaller labels. You can just use your pens to print on these labels, and then to be finished labels. So it's very convenient for you. So we can also offer any service, no matter the size we can customize, but also the tag, the labels tag we can do. The circle, the rectangle, or other any shape we can do for you, and it's yes, any service. So if you have this requirement, and please let us know, and we will get your size or design, and then to do the sheets or rows for you. It's very nice.
Yeah, pre-cut labels will be more convenient for your printer, and you no need to pre-cut die-cut labels after printing. It means with the pre-cut labels, you just need to do printing and labeling on your products. Yeah, that will save much time of your printing and labeling.
Yes. So this our inkjet stickers. Yes, we talk about a long time, around 44 minutes, and yeah, I'm going to talk a half hours each time. 30 minutes for inkjet, 30 minutes for laser, 30 minutes for the flexing. So next topic is for laser jet, but I want to complete one thing. Yes, the label expo, for Mexico. Yes.
Mexico. We will have one label exhibition in Mexico this year. Which month?
This
April.
Yes.
Yeah,
Next
month.
Next month. It's very near. Yes.
Yeah.
March will be finished, and we will welcome the April, and we have the label expo in Mexico around 27 to 28 to 26 to 28 April, and maybe our team will stay Mexico around 1 week. So if you will be the Mexico, and please let us know, and we will follow you, and our team will talk about our stickers price face to face with you. So maybe I think it's a very good opportunity to do the business. So if you have chance to be Mexico, March Expo. April Expo. So please let us know. If you want some samples, we can take it and we can or we can deliver it to you. So any requirement, please let us know as soon as possible. We are preparing the sample for now and to do some special sheets or rows, and our team will take it to the exhibition. So if you have the requirement on the sample, please send the message to us. Sorry. And then we will take it together for you. That will be save shipping cost, right? Yeah. So please remember the exhibition time is 26 to 28 April. Yeah. So if this time if that date is free for you, so please take around our booth. Maybe for now it's not work out of our booth. When the booth number work out, we will let you know and we will email you and to share our booth view. Yes. So please follow us. Yes. And okay. Next topic is LaserJet.
Can I add some information?
Yeah, sure.
Mexico, friends, and the South Africa. Yeah, it's in South Africa.
South.
And South America.
Yeah. South American.
Yeah, Mexico friend and South American friend. Right. Yeah. So if you want to find a new supplier and also check other other suppliers quality, you can attend. You can come to Mexico to attend the label exhibition. If you don't and want to learn more, learn our writings quality, you can send us inquiry. We will send our booth to you, and on that day, we will invite you to our booth to check the materials face to face and talk more details with you, with your needs and printing business.
Yes.
Yeah, that's our exhibition in Mexico. Next month. It will come. It will come soon. It's very fast. So if we could have a brief talk with you and learn more about your needs, we could take the similar samples and the sample rows you need, and for you to check the quality, and you need to take the cost of freight that will be cost effective just as Kara side, and we will take it for you freely. And that's our exhibition in Mexico next month. Okay, let's go on with our LaserJet material.
Yes. Okay. So for now, for LaserJet stickers, Letty, do you have any questions?
Laser? No.
No.
Yeah, for laser, I think when I come the company, we do have the special team to research the laser printing material. If you remember, it's about 80
what?
80 times or more than 80 times.
Around 90. Around 90
yes.
times. Yes, for LaserJet, we have a lot of stickers that we talked about before. Glossy, transparent, matte, PPL, PET, and other colors like silver, gold, and hologram. Yes. For this laser jet stickers, as you know, is not regular stickers like inkjet. Yes, it has mm, it has more higher requirements on the printers. You know, the laser printers are very expensive, right? And the size is bigger. Like so for normally inkjet is A4, but for laser jet normally is A3 or A3 plus or more large size. So it will have a high demand, high request on the flatness. The sticker must be flatness. Then put the sticker on the printers. There won't be get paper jam. So the flat is very important for laser printers. So that's why we have a special team for the LaserJet project. Yes, we our technology and the production department to study the laser stickers every week. We will do upgrade the the release liner, the adhesive. Yes, constantly after upgrade one time by time. Yes. Finally, we got the most correct match and specification. You know, for the laser, we have the PP and PT. For PP, match is 75 micron, and for the transparent PP is 50 micron. Gloss wax is, yes, 60. But for PET, almost is 50 micron. And for the other hand, say, you know, normally it's water-based, but as you know, maybe most of customers will make the printing. They will conclusion the glue will be overflow, and that means bleeding. So that's why we cannot make the glue more. We cannot do a lot glue on the sheet. Yes, there will be a disaster for the LaserJet printers. They cannot, they don't want any residue on their printer rollers, you know. So this one is very important. And then to the release liner, you know, that means the flatness, just like that, just like I said, the flatness is very important for the laser printers. So at first we used the 135 gram wet liner. At that time, everything is okay, and the thickness and the flatness both are okay. Any questions? But later, more how to say more higher request on the stickers. That means the flatness had to flat than 135 gram. Yeah, so we upgrade. We do two kinds of the grade of the laser sticker. One is A grade, and we upgrade one A plus grade. So for now, our specification is the surface match the solvent, and then 155 gram. Yes, so very perfect. We send a lot of samples to our customers. Every customer like it. They like it, the upgrade samples very much. very good. So if you have the high requirement on the stickers, on the adhesive, and on the flatness, so we will send you the new sample sheets. Yes. So for now, good news. We are developing a new grade that is A plus plus.
Yeah, 2+.
Yes, 2+. That means we will use double P coating lamination with 180 gram craft paper with double P lamination. That means more flatness. Yes. So we have three grades of the laser stickers. So don't worry. Any questions? We have different grades for different application. So if your product if your products have no high requirement on the adhesive, on the flatness. I mean, it's not say it's not good, but it's different application with different grades paper stickers. As you know, we have a lot of customers. They use the laser stickers, but different customers like different stickers. Yeah, so the price is different. So many customers can accept this quality match the price. But for high request customers, they need the quality, but the price although it's a little bit higher, but we can also accept with the high quality. So we have different grades. So if you have any questions, please let us know, and we will clear your application. We will recommend the right stickers, right grade for you. So we will same questions. So we will ask a lot of questions about your application, your temperature, printing temperature, or printer brand, or application temperature. A lot of questions. So please tell us, and don't be think that bother. So we just want to clear your application to avoid any bad things happen. So for better support you, so please let us know more details of your products or of your customers. Yes. Yes, so I talked a lot. So Patty, do you have something you want to say?
Yeah, I think the professional knowledge and the is and and from the tips and longs, I'm not professional than you. So as in each laser jet printing meeting every week, I will listen carefully uh, from your topic, and from the liner and the different liner choice, where we choose this liner, and is it the flatness enough good to do printing and sticking, and avoid curling, and also the humidity in shipping. That's very important. And also the glue, we do the solvent glue to make uh, the glue it seems strong with the it seems strong with the
What base?
it's
Solvent?
yeah. No matter maybe the glue after printing will has the less adhesion.
Less adhesion.
Will not sticky than before.
Oh, yes, you mean the thin adhesive, but more strong adhesion, right?
Yeah, it may be.
Yeah, so that's why we replace the water-based into the solvent. We can use the thin glue of the thin glue to avoid the overflow, but the the thickness is more stronger. So what perfect solution? Yes, so it's very good. So it can solve a lot of questions when printing, and it can also make the label more stronger and would be curling when you stick on the wrong surface. So it very a perfect match. So I think it is successful upgrade. Yeah.
Right. So uh, we will consider more um, different points for our claims from the printing and the application and the glue adhesion and the humidity of your printing environment and also the cost to check if this material is most acceptable by our clients and also accepted by this market. And then we will do it in the bulk. So that's really strong and that's really professional and strong in writing. So we do have the professional producing department and the quality control department, and also the importantly is the technology department to help us to do research on the new products and upgrade 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 upgrade
Upgrade.
upgrade the new materials and make it more better and better and effective too.
Yes. And I think this our advantage, and
Yeah.
we know uh, how to say we did the upgrade of the glue and the release liner, but also we upgrade the package. Before our package is the yellow craft paper, but for now we upgrade the
White
uh,
paper.
yes, the white craft paper with printing digital labels. Yes, it's very high level and looks very beautiful. It's very clean. Yeah,
I agree.
agree. Yes.
Yeah, and
So
for this paper, we do the P coating to
Yes.
avoid the water.
Waterproof.
Yeah.
Yes, it's very stronger to protect our stickers.
Yeah.
And then, for the PP and PT, we have these two windows, and how to distinguish the PP or PT to use their application. Many customers will think the PT is very high, the price is very high than the PP.
Yeah.
But why sometimes we have to choose the PT? Let you know why we have to choose the PT material.
PT.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we talked about in the inkjet material. I think PT.
No. I want to say a laser difference.
Yeah, I think PT is has a more higher temperature resist.
Bingo.
But I told in inkjet too. When we talk about the why PT is expensive than PP.
Sorry.
Yeah,
forgot
they are same.
Yeah.
And the material are same too. So PT has the high temperature resistance, mostly in the
Yes.
more bigger printer.
Yes. For yes, ladies thread. For the PP and PET, the difference is the PP can be around 10 hours, sorry, can be 180 degree, but for PT can be 220 degree. So big difference. Yes, so when you can choose a PP when you have to choose a PPT. For example, if your printer is very new and just say, 3 or 4 or 5 years and very new, and yes, you can choose the PP and you can choose the PT. Both are okay. But if your printer is very old, 10 years or 20 years old, yes, so this week, the printer out of control of the printing temperature. You cannot set, and even though you set it, and but after printing it out of control. So you have to choose a BT. When your printing temperature is out of control, the temperature will be high, uh, high and how to say, here we go,
Higher and higher.
higher and higher.
Oh, yeah.
Yes,
Higher.
out of control. So the PP will be how much in the high temperature. But for PT, it's very safe, and it cannot be get paper jam, and it cannot destroy your printers. So that's why we have two kinds of stickers. In fact, the PP can almost can make almost the labels for one labels or for cosmetic labels, food labels, beverage labels, or other daily items labels. PP is okay, all is okay, but when we have to choose a PT, so just and that's the situation. So you have to, so you have no choice. So PT is, maybe its price is higher, but it can be good for your printer. Yes.
I think for the new printer, yeah, within 3 or 5 years printer, and also if it's the office printer for normally office printing, normally the PP material is okay for your printer and will not melt in your printer. Well, for the many years printer over 20 years, it will have more requirements on the material like the high temperature resistance and more flatness of material. So PT will be more suitable and will not cause the disaster or other problems for your printer. And also for the industrial laser printer PT, with its high speed with its high speed it's more faster than normal office printer. So PT material is more recommended for our clients. And also if you have the printing house, and we could arrange both material for you to try. That's the difference of PP material and the PT material.
Yes.
Mm,
So next we can talk about our package. How many sheets in package, lady?
for the big sheets, normally the laser material is the bigger sheet size, A3 plus. We do the big sheet size with 200 sheets per pack, and if for delivery, we do the two packs, one box. It means 400 sheets per carton or box. If for delivery, we do the package with five five packs per carton or box. It means 100 sheets in one box. So for different shipping method, by sea or by delivery, we will use the different packing box and the different size of box. And also by sea, we will pack it with not only the box but also use the strong pallet and the wrapping film to protect the material.
Yes. And for later, yes, sure, we have the MOQ, right?
Yeah.
As you know, the size is big, and we have to make sure there are no any waste of our stock. So we have set the MOQs. You know, for laser jet, laser sticker is very cheaper. It's, yes, low price.
Yeah.
So maybe it's higher. The MOQ is higher than inkjet. Normally, we set stickers around 110 10,000 10,000 sheets is plus, right? Yes, 10,000. Maybe around 1,000. No. Around 1 or 2,000 square meter.
3,000.
Yes, 3,000 is is based on our when if we have no stock, so our MOQ had to be 3,000 square meter. But for now we have the stock,
Yeah.
so we lower the MOQ around to or 1,000 square meters. So yes, with our MOQ, and then for the sample sheets, as you know, for sample sheets have to be the sample sheets for India for laser printer is very important. They have to test if the sticker work well for their printers, then order a big order for you. Yes.
Yeah.
So for the sample, we can send you 10 sheets each or more according to your requirements. And if you have the requirement on the sample sheets, and just leave your message, and just yes, on the first, I see I saw the new needs the A3 plus stickers, right? Are you there still, Neil? Are you still need? Okay. So if you still here, please let us know what is your requirement, and we could also offer the sample sheets for your test. And if you want the price, we can also send you the quotation if you leave your email, and we can talk about there. Yes, just just want to know more details of your application, of your requirements. So please let us know more information if you still need the latest stickers. Yes. So around 15 minutes, let's talk about the flexible speakers. Letty, as you know, we set the flexible speakers in this week, in this year.
Yeah.
Make flexible material to number one, please. Yes. So for flexible is very important for us because maybe you know for flexible is traditional printing. We have a lot of kind of sticker. Normally it's paper like semi-glossy with free yes, cut coated and thermal and PVP, etc. all kinds of stickers we can do it. And normally for flex seal it's jumbo rolls, like 1080 millimeter. But we could also offer you slitting rolls. That means small rolls. We can also offer for you. But if you have, if you only have the big machine, you can cut by yourself. So maybe you can take the jumper roll. But if you have no the slating rolls, we can also do the service for you for free. Yes. So we can make the sizes flexible, any size we can do. And normally customers need the flexible maybe one containers. We will calculate the full containers, how many rolls, how many pallets. Yes, for your reference, maybe we have professional team to offer you one-stop solution. So it's very make you easy. Yes. So I think you will be like to cooperate with us, right? Yes, I believe writing team is very professional. Yes. Oh, hello, Lusty. Yes, I know you are looking for VIP 660 and deck cutters. Yes, for this one, for this model is newest model. Yes, as you know, before the newest is VIP 750, but for now, 660 is more popular because the volume is very smaller and can save the shipping cost and in fact, the function is the function is same with the VIP 750, except the outlook is different. As you know, we six zeros is same with 7 zeros. The VIP 660, the ink is also waterproof. The ink is proof and uh,
the function are same with the VIP 750.
Yes.
They have the same function.
Yes,
So
the speed is same.
yeah,
Yes, almost 80 meter or around 80 meter per minute. So it's very convenient and the printer looks like industrial machine, but the operation is very easy to operate. And for if you print the labels around two or 5,000 labels per day, and maybe this printer is very suitable for you. Convenient, and the ink is waterproof. The ink is ink, and the ink cartridge volume is 250 ml. Yes. Normally, normally, uh, mm, one set ink has 4 colors and a 5 ink tank. CMYKK. Yes. So if you can share what kind of labels you will stick you will print, that would be better. We will know which one will work well for you. Uh, for the decanter, we can also offer the one-stop solution. We have printer, rewinder, and decanter. That means if you have the printing house and you can own this one set of the machines. If your customers want the labels, yes, you can print and you can rewind and then die cut the finished labels for your customers. I think that will be helpful for your business, label business. It can, for example, for example, this is Inkjet stickers. Then, if you this time customers can come to your shop and I want to this type labels, and you will know how to do. Then first you print the design, and we have made the rewonder and rewind the rolls, and then finish the rolls. You can put the roll on the die cutter, and die cutter will work with the finished labels. It's very convenient for your business, and the speed is very fast. So don't worry the time. Uh, when around if your printers work 24 hours, the labels will be worked out when or one whole day. Yeah, so it's very valuable for business, legal business. One setup. Yes, you can also send your email, and we can send you the complete quotation for your reference, and some working video to you. Yes, or you can send the inquiry for us. Okay.
So that's our printing solutions for digital printing. If you want to start the printing business and to print labels for your clients, maybe the label size and shapes is not fixed. So we will recommend our printer that we will recommend our printing solutions in this board. The printers, waterproof printers, die cutter, and rewinder. This solution will be more convenient and flexible for your own business, as this solution could help die cut different shapes labels for you,
What?
like this printed labels, and it could help die cut into different shapes, like this board and this fire. This die cutter machine will help you realize. So that's for your printing business. If your labels is fixed and shapes is fixed, fixed shape size and fixed shapes, we will recommend this die cut labels and with the printer. This solution will be more convenient. You just need to use the computer to connect with the printer, and with that design you could make the printing very easily. Yeah, with the pre-cut rows. This way is also convenient than this die cutter. And also for this printer and die cutter, and also the rewinder machine, it's very easy to convenient to operate. Just with the computer you could make the printing. It means it's very automatically.
Automatic.
智能
half automatic.
Yeah, half automatically. You just but
You just put the raw on the machine, then open the machine.
and yeah, the printing speed is very high, about 18 meters per minute. It could print 18 meters in 1 minute. With the high speed, you could this printing solution will meet your big demand, your clients' big demand on labels. Will not delay your delivery time. And also maybe you just start the printing business firstly, and you have less knowledge about printing machine. So we will we will help give you guidance, and we will have the professional after sale departments to help you solve the problems, help you to make printing step by step. No matter what the problems you meet in the printing, we will help you solve in time, no less than 2 days.
Yes.
And also for the pre-cut labels, we just talk. We do have some black continuous rows and the pre-cut rows. That will depend on your demands.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. This. Okay. So yes, it's time for now. And next part is our next part is our colleague Brand and Deal. They will show you more information here again. And if you have any questions, you can ask them, and they will give you a professional answer. And for now, in the last 3 minutes, I just want to say again about our Mexico exhibition around 26 to 28th April. So if you have chance to be there, and please let us know. We will give you more introduction, professional advice and samples for you. So just let us know if you will be get there, and please share more information of your products. Which one sample you would like to us to take more? Just let us know. And one more questions, and please tell us when you will be get there, and our team will be get there around 25, and we'll be stick there almost 1 week. So just share us. We will let our team to contact with you. You can talk about face to face, and you can also take our catalog on site. So if you have any questions, please let us know as soon as possible. We will miss the any chance to cooperation with you. I think this is a good choice for us, and I think it also is a good opportunity, uh, a popular a pop opportunity opportunity. Huh?
Opportunity.
Opportunity. A good opportunity for you to choose right suppliers. Yes, maybe when at that time a lot of suppliers in the exhibition, but I think you will know how to choose the right. So please email us and send us a message to us. We will contact you immediately. So yes, it's time. So any questions, please ask next part, Brandon and Deal. So see you. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Next.
不喊话了。来吧。
又开始。那你结束了？现在做，做完然后教我一下。
韩蕾蕾，你的衣服。
哦对 ，Thank you。哦，你们两个还换场啊？
啊，要不然不然一个人3个小时扛得住吗？扛不住。他们聊了啥？聊了那个墨西哥展会，他们聊到墨西哥展会。我想问你去吗？不去啊，我就科普媒体，没有资格去。不是有那个什么标准的，反正达不到。好，我们聊点啥？可以直接开始重复讲也没问题，我知道。Okay, let's begin. Hi guys, this is Brandon.
Hi, this is Dio.
So today we will have a live stream for next 90 minutes. And if you guys have some problems about adhesive materials, stickers, for anything, for flexo printing, for inkjet printing, anything about adhesive materials, you are welcome to ask us any questions, and we will give you fast and professional reply. And also, if you can send us an inquiry, and our colleague will be online and give you a professional service to provide label solutions to you guys. Okay, so now we will introduce some uh, material knowledges about our uh, label material. Okay.
Okay. Which one we start?
Which printing method is your favorite
Which
printing method?
inkjet?
Okay, so let's begin from laser print.
Okay.
Okay, so laser printing, as we know, laser printing is quite similar to inkjet printing, right? And the only difference, main difference between laser and inkjet is the different printing.
Printing method.
Yeah. Anyway, so laser printing is to heat up the toner and to melt the toner by high temperature to shape the design you want to print, right? And inkjet is to drop the inks to material surface, and when the ink dries, the design was shipped. That's the main difference between laser and inkjet. So what makes this difference? One, laser is to melt to shape the design, right? And ink is to drop the ink to dry and to make the design. What's the main difference between laser material and inkjet material? Oh, okay. So it's the coating, right? It's a coating problem. So normally our material surface, the ink will not dry on material surface if we do not have some special coating on the surface, right? For example, laser material do not have inkjet coating on the surface, so the ink will not dry. So that's why the material is designed for laser printing only, cannot be used for inkjet printing because the coating is not allowed. Okay.
Yeah. I think the difference is normally the inkjet ones will be thicker than the laser.
Yes.
Because our coating is specially designed
Yes.
for our inkjet printing, so
Yes.
the thickness will be higher.
Yes.
Yeah.
So inkjet material must be thicker than laser material because there is a coating, special inkjet coating on the material surface, and the coating is necessary. Otherwise, the ink will not dry. And if the ink does not dry after printing, it will be smudged. And if you use the finger to scrub on the material label surface, it will smudge because the ink is still wet. Okay. So anyway, let's focus on our laser printing materials. In general, we have two main material type, paper and vinyl, right? Paper is tearable and not waterproof because of the paper nature. It's afraid of water. But for vinyl, it's untearable and it is waterproof. So it's an easy point for you for your choice. If your label will be applied in a wet condition or for example in cooler or anywhere if it's wet, you should choose some waterproof labels. Use some vinyl material to print. But if your label is in a dry condition and will not sink in water or never touch with water, paper is your most cost-effective choice, right?
Yeah, our paper materials is cheaper than the vinyl.
And much cheaper because paper is much cheaper.
So it is an economic choice.
Yes,
for customers.
Yes. So it's up to you. You can choose the best according to your application. So it's very important when you communicate with us. We will ask your application and conditions, atmospheres, anything to make sure that you get right labels. Right.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Shall we explain the difference of PP and PET?
of course.
Yeah.
So as we know, there are three kinds of vinyl materials in our label materials: PVC, PP, and PET. PVC cannot hold a high temperature when laser printing, so PVC is not suitable for laser printing. So when we talk about laser printing, we uh,
Yeah, not recommended.
yeah, we don't recommend the PVC material. So we talk about the PP and PET material only. And you can share some difference between PP and PET.
Oh yes.
Yes.
The PP is softer than the PET. The PET is more rigid.
Yes.
Yeah. So for labels, the rigid has some advantage, but
Okay.
sometimes it's easy to, not easy. It's more possible to drop than the PP in the flat surface.
Yes.
Yes, and for the laser materials, the PET has advantage for his temperature varying. The laser printer normally will cause the high temperature.
Yes.
Because of its method.
Yes.
Yeah.
It can higher when laser printing, the temperature inside the printer can be higher to 200 centigrade, right?
Yeah.
And so PP cannot sometimes PP cannot hold that high temperature. So PT is very capable for high temperature. That's the main difference between PP and PT. PT can hold a higher temperature than PP, right?
Yeah, and but sometimes the PT also has its disadvantage.
Yes, sure, of course.
Yeah, because
the coin
of
has two sides.
Yeah, the rigid will be a little hard to fit on the printer.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, I see. So
They are the two choice according to the real condition.
yeah, that would be a diploma. So, for example, one customer it has some bigger laser printer, and the bigger machine, the higher temperature it has when printing. So, so we recommend the PET materials, but it has some problem in continuous printing, right? How to reach this balance when
First, the larger machine, it can be configured with different temperature.
Oh, I see.
According to the different thickness of the materials.
Yes.
Yeah. So as we tested many times for our different materials, there are so much experience we can share to our customers.
To find out the best PP materials.
Yeah.
Capable enough and smooth enough.
Yes. Sometimes the configuration perhaps it is not suitable for your printer, but it is okay for the other machines.
Yes.
We will tell you the difference by details.
Okay, so it has so many details to confirm with our customer when we talk about laser printing materials, right? It's very important to confirm customers' machine application and what's the point that our customers concerns most.
Yeah, the machine, the printer, brand, and model. So we will know if it is suitable for it.
Yes. Okay.
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 There's someone interested in the inkjet customized
Yes.
printing.
Okay, so there's a customer who wants to know some about laser inkjet printing with customized package. Okay, as you can see in my hand, it is our customized package. It was made of 350-gram cardboard, and it's very strong enough to protect your material. Make sure you get perfect materials. Okay, so this package is customized, which means you can print your own logo, your own design, and your own description on this package surface. Make it your product, and each pack we can hold 20 pieces or 25 pieces, and of course we can customize this package to bigger size and to take more sheets if you request. For example, 50 sheets per pack. We can do that. We can make this customized package bigger to hold the 50 sheets. So it's quite hot sale in Amazon. One of our most biggest customer is from Amazon, and it has a great feedback from this customer. It's very attractive and unique. What's your opinion?
I think the customized package can be also for the laser sticker.
Of course, it's a customized. It's a package.
All the digital.
Yes, it's a customized package. So you can put any material you want inside this box, right? So material is not limited.
Okay, according to customers' requirements.
Yes. If we have a laser customer and he wants some customized package, of course we can do that if he wants, right? Okay.
Okay. So what's the MOQ?
MOQ would be, for example, if you want 20 sheets per pack, our MOQ would be 200 packs. 200 packs, and we have a great price. The more you want, the cheaper price you have. So it would be the most cost-effective way if you order more quantities. If you need some customized package, the more the cheaper anyway.
If there is someone have questions, welcome to leave any questions. We will reply you online.
Yes. Okay. So this is a short, brief introduction of our customized package. As you can see, it's very strong and beautiful, and it can be customized using your own logo, brand, picture, description, anything you want to put on this package. We can do that. Make it your product. Okay. And before massive production, we have a draft to our customer to have a double confirm, so that before massive production, we have to make sure that our product is right, is acceptable, and after confirmation, we will start our massive production exactly to this sample packages. So do not worry about some long printing or some problem with this package. Anyway, before massive production, we will produce one pack and have a double confirm with you. Make sure everything is right on this package.
It's very nice.
Okay, so let's continue to our laser material introduction. Okay, so we just talked about the difference between PP and the PET materials, right? And other small difference between these two vinyl materials is that the PET has more color for your choice. PP is quite simple: glossy white, clear white.
Yeah.
Glossy white, matte white, clear, and one more holographic. Four colors in total, right? But as for PET, it has more colors to choose. For example, gold and silver, right?
Yeah. And holographic.
Yes. PP also has some holographic. Right? So if you want some gold and silver labels, PT would be your great choice. And also we have some brush gold and brush silver, and it's some unique gold and unique silver, and it's brushed. You can see some lines on the label surface, make it more attractive and
Luxury.
yes, luxury, and has some special style to attract to have some added value to your product.
Yeah. Our customers normally use the brush as the wine label.
So why label?
Yes, they can put laminated some films, PV films,
Yes.
so to make the embossing surface.
Oh, I see. Embossing surface.
Yeah, so it will show more different affection.
Yes, different affection. When you see this label, you will see not just the label. You will see many other elements, many other attractive points to make this label perfect, beautiful, and attractive.
Yeah, and will help it easy to be found.
Yes,
Yeah. It
yes.
is very important for a product label.
Yeah, sure. So, for example, you can see so many rows between in front of us, and you can imagine there are so many jars and bottles in a supermarket, right? So, if you have some special label made of, for example, this brush gold, you will see this product immediately, and you will be impressive, right? Because this label is attractive, and the company would pay so much attention to this label. It means he really want to make his product outstanding. So you anyway, this label added gives many added value to your product. And one example is that, for example, this label is $1 per piece. For example, $1 per piece, and you apply this label to your product, and this product can be sold $5 more. Right?
Sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's mainly a short introduction of our laser printing materials. And as you can see, it is a catalog book in my hand. And inside this book, it's a company introduction and many sheets. Each sheet has a real material on this surface. It's a small sample for your real check on our label materials. So if you are interested, you can send us inquiry to ask for this catalog book. So we will send this to you. You have a real check on our label materials, and if you like it, you can give us a order.
You can touch and choose some of them.
Yes. So in this catalog book, you can.
Shall we introduce some?
Okay. Yeah, sure. For example, in the first sheet, it is clear PT. Right? It is clear PT, and I will take one label off, peel one label off. Now you can see it is clear PT label in my hand, so you can check this clearance and adhesive performance and the release liner, everything about this label material. You can have a real check by through this catalog book. So if you are really interested, send us an inquiry and we will send this book to you. Okay. Okay, so next one is our glossy white, right? Glossy white PT and matte white PT. Uh, Difference between glossy and matte is that glossy has some reflection under light, so make this label more shiny. Matte is well not have some reflection, totally no reflection under light. So if you go away, go away. If you want some low-key labels, matte white is your good choice. Okay, so let's move on. As you can see, our luxury label material, glossy gold and glossy silver, is so attractive. You can see your product 100 miles away. It's so attractive, right? And so if you want some luxury labels, it is your great choice. Thank you.
Let's continue.
Okay, so next part is our PP material. PP is not that to talk about because the color of PP is quite simple: glossy white, matte white, clear, and holographic. That's all. And if you want some soft labels, and if you want some labels applied to irregular surface, choose PP materials. Right? Okay. So next one is our PVC materials.
PVC is normally used in the outdoor conditions.
Yeah, outdoor conditions, and it is very colorful. So if you are looking for colorful label, for example, green, yellow, blue, red, some these colorful labels, PVC would be your great choice.
Yeah, we can make many different colors for the PVC materials.
In total, I think we have, for example, for the heat transfer material, we have in total 20 colors for your choice. And PVC is for advertising industries. Most welcome, right? Except for advertising, what's the main application that PVC is?
Yeah.
Do you know that? Except for advertising. 说广告，还有什么 PVC 用途
Most are for the advertisement.
Yes, and the rest.
And
Do you know?
some surface of the packing.
Surface of the packing. Surface of the packing.
Poster.
Oh, poster.
And
Anyway, it can be used for labels that not for food and drinks because PVC is not that healthy. It has some low temperature resistant, and when the temperature is high enough to certain centigrade, it will release some unhealthy gas.
Yeah.
Okay, let's move on.
Okay. The next is the silver aluminum paper.
Silver aluminum. Have you ever met some customer wants some aluminum?
Yes,
Aluminum foil.
Wine label customers.
Oh, that's so good. You can talk more about this customer and its request.
Oh yes. This one, like the brush,
gold,
PVC,
yes.
silver and gold. This also can supply the luxury effect.
Yes, it is some metal effect. It looks like the metal.
Yeah, but actually it is paper.
Yeah, it is a paper. So you get great effection in a low price, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, let's share this. The inkjet, is it okay?
Okay. So next part is our inkjet materials. Inkjet materials. Simply, we have we have quite similar colors to the laser. For example, glossy white, matte white, clear, and glossy gold, glossy silver, and holographic. That's all the colors we have, and similar to laser materials. In general, we have two material type for inkjet printing: paper and vinyl, and all the material have same standard inkjet coating on the surface. That means they have same printing quality. No matter it's paper or it's vinyl, they have same coating and same printing quality. So you can sure that the quality is steady. Okay, so paper is afraid of water, and if you sink this label to the water for a long time, it will smudge and the paper will be broken. But vinyl is okay. Mainly we use inkjet labels for indoor condition because for outdoor condition it has some rain pools and some sunshines that they all do great damage to label surface. So we don't recommend outdoor application for inkjet labels. It will be broken. It will smudge. But for outdoor, we have some inkjet printer which is equipped with waterproof ink, and waterproof material that makes the label can sink under the water, can submerge in the water for over a whole night, for example, 8 hours or 10 hours, and no smudge at all. We have this real test in daily life. It keeps the whole label still clean. So
Do you know we can also make lamination by PT films on the surface?
yes, of course, especially when some customers want a label into the washing machine or anything that in a washing machine, you can laminate the label to have a perfect protection to the label surface. It will not smudge, no smudge at all, even in a washing machine. But the high temperature of the machine and the long time contact with water may be challenging for adhesive glue. So in that condition, we have to choose the right glue to make sure that the label uh, will not will not broken. The label can keep adhesion even underwater. With special glue, we can do that. So if you need some washing labels, you can contact us and we can give you a great solution.
Well, do you remember at the beginning you asked me which one is your favorite product?
Yeah.
I said inkjet.
Yes,
Do you know why?
I don't know.
Today we have a review of
Okay.
our selling data.
Yes,
It shows the inkjet materials are the most popular and
Most
and
popular.
our star products.
yes, and it has great benefits to our whole company, right?
It can't be seen here.
Okay. It's just a
Because our products have advantages.
Mm.
It can win the other products of our competitors.
Oh, so
Yeah.
we have really competitive inkjet printing materials, right?
Yes,
Okay.
most customers choose us, so we should be confident of our
Yeah.
inkjet materials.
Of course, and do you know, many times I have this situation that customer wants some inkjet materials, for example, glossy PP, right? So I send a quotation after talking about the size and quantity. I send a quotation, and this customer said, "Oh, you are too expensive. I can get same material by how much? How much in Guangdong or Yiwu, right?"
Actually, they are not the same.
Yeah, of course, they are not the same, not totally not at all. And I believe one thing is that you pay what you get what you pay. It means you pay what you get. You pay for what you get.
You
Okay.
you must buy it.
So here is the trick. They declare that they have same material, right? Actually, they can make this coating on the surface thinner. That will save a lot of money. That's why they can give you such a low price, because the coating on the surface is thinner. That makes if in certain designs, if you want to print a certain design, and that design will drop a lot of ink in same spot, because of the thin coating, the ink will not dry, because the coating is not strong enough to absorb all the inks. That's the problem. So the label will smudge. That's the problem you will have if you buy some cheap materials. And our price is reasonable. We want to make sure the quality of our label materials, right? No smudge at all. And in the same time, we want to gain some low profit. That's the idea of our product. So
Actually, if customer buy more,
yes,
the price will be step price. Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So we always provide a great price. A great price means that the more you order, the cheaper price you have. So if you want a great material in a low cost, you can choose us and order bigger. We will give you great discount and make this individual material cheaper, and so both of us can make profits, and the quality is great.
Yeah.
Right.
I think we can supply samples to our customer. They can touch and check by themselves.
Yes,
they will know the difference.
Yes,
yeah.
It's very it's very clear. It's very easy to find out the difference between our material and other materials. You can ask us for a free sample. We have A4 sheets ready to go immediately, and we can arrange FedEx air to door to ship out, and you will get our samples in a week. That's how fast we can do. And when receiving the samples, you can compare our material to other suppliers. You will find out the difference very easy, because our coating is thicker, our material is better. That's the simple solution.
Yeah. Actually, we have been acknowledged by the main printer producers,
Which one?
Like Memjet,
Memjet and
Affinia,
and Epson and VIP Color.
Yeah.
Yes, they all acknowledge that our material is great.
Yes, and our materials have been tested many times to make sure they are suitable for most inkjet printers.
Yes, and of course we have so many customers in USA, in Europe, right? All around the world. So many customers ordered
around the world.
Yeah, around the world.
Everywhere. I think. Yeah.
Around the world ordered our inkjet material. It means that there are thousands, hundreds of thousands of people in the world have tested our product, and they all give us a great comments. So do not worry about our quality, because and we value our quality a lot. We are proud of our quality a lot. So we want to keep it. So anyway, you get great materials from us.
Yeah. You can always consider us. If there is someone with questions,
还有问题吗？没有。How many customers in our live stream now? Okay, so we just talked about our inkjet materials and laser materials. Next part is our flexo.
Oh yes.
So we can talk some flexible materials, right?
Yeah, flexible printing is the
I believe
main printing method.
And I believe you have more points, more acknowledge, more interesting things to share in flexible printing area, because you have a lot of customers in flexible printing.
Yes, we have normal flexible printings like semi-glossy, cast-coated, and the PP and PPT. And besides them, we also have specially designed materials. For example, I mean, for the different usages, we can use for the tire label.
Tire label, yes.
It needs a very high tech.
Yes, strong adhesive.
Yeah, very strong. And if the adhesive is strong, it has to be thicker.
Yes.
And if the adhesive is thicker, it will be possible to overthrow
Glue bleeding.
glue bleeding. Yes. And because we have enough experience to producing the tire labels,
Yes.
so we know how to avoid such risks. We will make sure all the packing details are very suitable for our higher adhesive products. So it can avoid your risk to in your using conditions.
Yes. Okay. So we will provide a comfortable home for our product to make sure it will has no glue bleeding problem when in shipping or in application. Right?
Yes, because of our experience, we can make a no problem solution.
Okay.
I can say that. No problem
So we are
yes.
so confident enough to guarantee that we can provide perfect tire labels without any problem would happen, because we solved this problem in advance. We already know which problem, which key point we should to take a special care. So we can say that we provide perfect labels.
Yes, and our inspection department is always stricter.
Yes, so we have double, even triple confirmation to insurance to make sure to have the quality control. First one is that we will know about every details about our customers application, and even we will make clear that the temperature and humidity of our customers' country, right, is very important of the atmosphere. Right? So we'll make this order to the factory. We will talk it through very clearly with our producing manager, right? So which means factory knows every details that our customers want to take care, and our sales want to make sure the product is perfect.
Yeah.
So
it is in the base of many inspection and test.
Yes.
So the data tells
the
the factory, tells our producing department how to do.
Yes. So we have some technical department to guarantee that the data of the product, for example, the face stock and the glue thickness, glue adhesion, every data, we have a strict control that makes sure all the producing materials is within the technical data sheet.
Yeah, just to tell us your usage details.
We will provide perfect label solutions.
Yeah, and we will know how to do.
Yes, because we did a lot before meeting you. Before meeting you. Okay.
Yes. Besides, our flexible can also be used as a wine label.
One label, flexo printing. One label, flexo printing, right?
Yes.
Which printing method normally used for one labels? Offset or laser?
Laser and flexo and silk.
Silk screen.
Yeah, it depends on which affection the customer will show to their
I see.
consumers.
Yes, there are so many different wine labels. Oh, so we have rich experience in wine labels as well, right?
Yeah, many customers, our customers,
Yes,
they buy the materials
for
to,
the
to
wine
make to make a
to make a wine
wine
labels.
labels. Yeah.
So we have many successful cases on wine label, and based on the effect of the customer requested, we can recommend suitable materials to reach the effect that our customer want. For example, some customer they just like a simple wine label.
And normally not simple.
Normally want because
they want a complex affection.
Yes, of course, because wine is a high value product, right?
Yeah, the label should be suitable for it.
Yes,
to show the value.
So yes, the label should have same level, same level.
Yeah. So they should make some
Craft or process.
yes. It means our materials should be strong.
Yes.
The liner should be strong.
I see. Because okay, so we provide the blank raw materials, label materials, and our customer will have a lot of work, do a lot of work on our label materials. So our material has to be very strong.
Yeah, they will put some pressure on it.
To stamp, to have the special stamp, special design, special picture on the wine label surface.
By lamination with some other materials, such as PET.
Yes.
The clear PET can be laminated on it, and they will press to make some embossing.
Yes.
Embossing surface.
Yes. Use pressure to make an embossing effect.
Yeah, and sometimes the wine are stocked in the low temperature.
Yeah, low temperature
conditions.
Low temperature, no sunshine, right? It's the basement floor.
Yeah. So our adhesive is required to take in the low temperature.
Yes, low temperature. For a wine, always put in an ice bucket to cool the wine.
Yeah, cool wine.
Yes.
Such as Russia, they are always
cold.
Under 20 degree and
negative 20 degree.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we have special brew.
Special brew. It's a frozen brew, right?
Frozen brew.
Yeah,
frozen brew is one kind, and also the acrylic water-based brew is also okay for under 20 degree.
Yes, because its application temperature is -5 to 25, I guess, or 35.
And actually, we made many tests to make sure it. We bought many different wine bottles. Yeah, our technical department have already done it, and there are some reports to show our materials are suitable for the wine label making. For
different wine labels.
Yeah, in the different
temperature.
Yes.
That's amazing.
Yeah. So if you want some wine label, please leave your message here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we can recommend the most suitable ones for you.
Have we listed the wine label on our Alibaba products?
Yes, we can put on Alibaba. If it's already on it?
I don't know. I'll ask you.
It's in the plan.
In the plan, okay.
Yeah, so it will be soon.
Okay, so that would be a great.
Yeah, after the tests. Yeah, we make sure it is okay, so we will.
Of course, this is basic. We have to make sure our make sure our material is good before we selling it to you guys. Okay. Okay. So wine label is a great way to improve, I think.
Yes, it's a large requirement.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
I think, for example, this A4 sheet can make about 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 4 wine labels, right? This A4 sheet can make at least 4 wine labels.
it can be.
Yes.
And it can be 6 or just.
Yes, it can be more or less, but about 4 labels.
Yeah.
For take example, this is 4 labels of wine. It means 4 bottles, 4 wine bottles. So
yes.
So how many sheets can one customer order for wine labels? I don't think it will not be too many materials.
Yes, there is no large cost for the wine label.
Yes.
And it can, but it can help the wine be much expensive.
But yes, because added value, our labels always can provide added value to your product. Yeah.
Yes, you can choose the right materials.
Yes.
Different materials are suitable for different wines.
Yes. Different.
Yeah. Have you noticed the different wine labels? They are different.
In daily life, I see some wine label is made of paper, right? Just a simple paper, matte paper with its logo and the design in, for example, blah blah ever since 1990, right?
Yeah.
This is the most common label I can see, and also I see some label which is holographic, and even some wine label is 3D, and it has some light in the dark.
Yes, really like some expensive wine.
Yes.
Like whiskey.
Okay.
And some brandy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So I mean, for example, if one customer he has a million bottles of wine, so he need for example 250,000 label, 250,000 A4 sheets in total. That can produce a million label wines, right?
Yes.
So I just think for single customer, he will not order too many sheets. Have you ever met some wine label customers?
What's your point?
I mean, for this blank material, we provide for our customer to produce wine labels, right?
Yeah.
One single customer will not buy too many sheets because wine, one single sheet can produce many labels for many bottles of wines.
Oh, I know what's your point.
Yeah, so I think it's better we provide the ready-to-use stickers, wine labels, the ready-to-use wine labels. It will make us more benefits.
Actually, there are some professional wine label producers. They produce wine labels for many wine factories.
Oh,
you know?
I know.
Not just the wine factory.
My apology. My mind is too simple. I think just for example, the shop owner and the mansion owner of the wine will order to us. Actually, our main customer is the factory.
Yes, they are the
label
factory.
Not
wine factory.
Yes, they are professional label provider to offer all over the world. So they will need many blank wine label materials.
Yes.
Okay.
The biggest wine label producer of Russia is our customer.
Really?
You know? Yes.
When? Last year or this year?
many years.
Many years ago?
Yeah, and the quantity has been raised much.
I never know.
Yeah, because they find our materials is very good and easy to operate.
Yes, easy to operate because our material is strong enough to hold our customers different operation, right?
Yeah, sometimes perhaps a little detail will cause different results.
Of course, as we know, label material was made of three items, main items: base stock, adhesive glue, and release liner. These three main points to make this label sheet, right? And a slight difference between each material will cause a great difference, totally different two products. Okay.
Yeah, well, we are introducing the flexible printing.
No problem. Let's come back. Let's come back from wine labels and talk about some classic flexo printing. Yeah. Normally our flexo printing customer, they like jumbo roll for flexo printing, right? Because the machine runs very fast and the jumbo roll is necessary.
Yeah, normally they buy jumbo roll and they will cut and
Cut.
produce to be what they want.
Yes, for they buy a jumbo roll and they will split the rolls by themselves and to apply to their machines to produce labels. And for that, we can do the jumbo roll slitting.
Yes, we can cut the size according to customer.
Yes, for example, if you want two small rolls from a jumbo roll, we can cut the roll in the middle, so you get two rolls. Right? We can do the roll slitting, so you can save one step in your product producing.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it is free.
Yeah, it is free, of course, and we have own factory to do every work from the raw material to final product. We have own factory, and it is very welcome for you guys to have a visit. We located in Shanghai, and so does our factory. And now it's very convenient to have a national trip, right? So if you have some opportunity and have some interest to see our factory, you are very welcome to come. Let us know, and we will arrange a great trip for you guys.
Yeah, since this year, everyone can visit China.
Yes, everyone can visit China easily. And meanwhile, we will go abroad to have some label expo exhibitions. And
yes, next month.
Yeah, next month we will be in Mexico City, the capital. So you are to in the label expo exhibition. So if you happen to be there in April, you are very welcome to pay us a visit to have a great communication on label materials.
Writing.
Yes, writing. We are very proud of being writing the people.
Yeah.
People.
Yeah, we will take some samples there.
Yeah, of course. Samples are always necessary.
They can touch directly. Need not wait.
Of course, if you do not prepare some label samples, sample materials, you talk ear with your customer, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's and one more thing that to mention that our factory has top level equipment in our factory. The maximum width of our jumbo roll is 2 meters wide. 2 meters wide and 9,000 meters long length. That's our jumbo roll. That's the max jumbo roll we can produce. So the well-experienced label producer has already know what I'm talking about. What it means? It means top level factory in the world. 2 meters wide and 9,000 meters length.
Yeah,
that's the max jumbo roll we can produce.
Yeah, certain factories can do it.
Yes, of course, it's top class in the world. Okay, so also we have the short introduction from inkjet, laser, and flexo. Yes, Leah, and do you guys have some specific questions you want to know, you want to learn about label materials? You are very welcome, and you are free to leave us a message to let us know what you are interested in. We can talk now immediately to you guys.
Shall we introduce the promotion?
Promotion,
Yeah, because it's already the end of March.
expo, right? Of course. Okay. So, as you can see, this board in my hand is our MOQ for our inkjet printing materials. We have many customers and they want to have a test on our inkjet materials. That's the MOQ of our inkjet materials, 500 square meter or 8,000 A4 sheets. They are equal. And of course, we have some well-packed box ready to go. Each box has 1,000 A4 sheets with every kind of inkjet material included. So if you are interested for some inkjet materials to try, you are very welcome to send us inquiry and we can let the material departure within today. And you will receive the material within a week. That's how fast we can do.
Yeah, it's really a good chance to start our business cooperation.
Yes, and with this product and with this trial order, I believe it's a great way to know more about both of us, about our delivery, our quality, our service, and we can know more applications and more special requests of our customer.
Yeah, this is the
Except for label materials, we also have inkjet printers. So you get one-stop solution from us, from a printer to label materials and some consumables, for example, inks and print head. This is our inkjet printing solution. This is our inkjet printer. It is VIP printer, and this is the rewinder, and this is the die cutter. So with this equipment, you can produce your own label in your own office. It is one label to start, unlike the factory, right? Factory they have great they have really high MOQ to start the label production. With this equipment set, you can produce any labels you want, print and die cut, so you get individual labels very easily.
Yeah.
And these labels are, or these machines are ready to go in a week. So if you order now, you can see this machine's departure in this week, and you normally we will do sea shipping for these machines. So you will get these machines in later April.
so fast. And besides these machines under photo, we can also supply different kinds of printer, rewinder, and the die cutter.
Yes, we have, according to your request, we have many different machines to recommend. Right? Okay.
Yes. This is the desk machine.
Yes, it's a desk, and this is a 1 meter length and 30 meter tall. So you can put these machines in a desktop, very room saving. No need of too much space for these machines. You can build your own label production line
Yeah.
to start.
If the customer need beer with wider and with high speed, they can choose a larger design, like VD.
BD240. Yes, and yes, we have another cutting machine with lamination function combined. Many customers they want to cut and laminate in one machine. That our VD240 can do that. Printing, die cutting, and lamination in one machine. Die cut and lamination in one machine.
Yeah. It can be a new start for when they want to make the labor business.
Sure.
Yeah, this is.
It's very easy to operate. Very simple. You connect this machine to your computer and you open your design and click print. So this machine will work. So it is a roll-to-roll printer, roll-to-roll from label rolls to label rolls, and when you click print, this machine will start working, right? Start printing and printing. This cutter can cut, can die cut the labels according to the label edge. So you can see it here.
Yeah.
So this is already die cutted. You can get individual labels very easy. You can get.
Although it is a small machine, but it can make the labels with different shape.
Yeah. So you can see this is clean die cutted labels that's produced by this machine. Okay. So we have 30 minutes to go. If you guys have some questions that you want to know about